morning, all of you. We will continue with English grammar, and today we will start a new topic, articles. Open your books to page number 21, articles. Okay, so which words are called as articles?
Ma'am, and the. Ma'am, and the.
So a and the. Now articles are of two types, indefinite and definite articles. Okay, indefinite, why indefinite? Because they do not refer to any specific person or thing. So the articles which do not refer to any specific or particular person or thing, they are called as indefinite. And they are which articles?
Ma'am, A and an.
A and an. A and an. Whereas definite article is, why it is called definite article? Because it refers to a particular, a specific person or thing, and the example of definite article is
Ma'am,
the. Okay. Now indefinite article, where do we use indefinite articles? Let's have a look. Now the article a or an, they can be used where? Before a singular countable noun. So before a noun, a countable noun, but which is singular, and when it refers to no particular person or thing. Like, I have a car. Car is what type of noun? Countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Alright, and is it singular or
Yes,
plural?
ma'am.
Singular.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
where do we use articles a or an? Before a singular countable noun. Then we also use it before a singular noun, but which represents its whole class or species. Means we also use it before collective noun. Collective nouns also, as well as when it refers to a whole species. See, for example, here, a student should be disciplined. So student is what? We are referring to a whole class. Means we are not talking about one student studying in one school or one class, but we are talking about students in general. Okay, so we are talking about the whole class, whole thing, whole class, which is called as student. So we use it before that also, means before a singular noun, when that singular noun also represents the whole class, its entire kind or species. Then we use it also to mean one, one. See example, I own a cat and 3 dogs. So we are using it, see, before cat and not 3 dogs. Why? Because here we want to mention that I own how many cats? I own a cat. I own only one cat. So many times when we want to refer to a single thing, then also we use a or an. Then before phrases of time and measurements, like I go on a holiday twice a week, or tomatoes are rupees 100 a kilo. Okay, so we use indefinite articles a or an before phrases when these phrases mention time or measurements. Okay. Next, we move on to the definite article. What is the definite article? The. Now, where all do we use the? So, where do we use the? Before a noun that is one of its kind. Means it is just one and only one of a kind. Like moon. Do we have many moons? No, we have just one moon and it is specific. Alright? And it is one of its kind. So before moon we will use the moon. Okay, Pope. We do not have many popes. We have just one pope. Alright? The head of the Roman Catholic Church, he is called as the Pope. So we use it before nouns that are one of its kind. Then we also the next you all know that we use it before a noun which we have already mentioned. So any noun which we have already mentioned, when we mention it the second time, then you know it becomes specific. First time it was not specific, but the second time when we use it again, then we know that we are talking about that particular noun only. So it becomes specific, and so we use that before it. See this example. A boy fell from a mango tree. See the first example. We don't know which boy. Okay. So we are using, since it is indefinite, so we use a before it. But the next time we talk about that boy, the boy was taken to a nearby hospital. Now why we are using the? Because now we know which boy we are talking about. Why we know? Because we know that now we are talking about that specific boy which fell from the mango tree. That boy was taken to the nearby hospital. So when we use the before a noun when we have already mentioned it, and when we use it second time, then you know we use the word, we use the article the. Okay, next, before a noun which is made definite by using a qualifying phrase or clause. Okay, so we also use it before a noun which is made definite. Now otherwise, you know, if we have used a boy or that boy is my brother, okay, but here otherwise we would have used that and not the here. If we have not used this phrase, the qualifying phrase in the corner, now we are making specific. Which boy is my brother? So the boy who is in the corner. Because we are making it specific, we are qualifying it, we are making it specific, that is why we use the in front of that. Okay, then we use it before a noun when which becomes definite, because both the speaker and the listener are familiar with it. So when you means the speaker and the person who is listening, now when both know the thing and they know what we are talking about, what they are talking about, then we can also use the. Like, they are playing in the lawn, mother is in the kitchen. So when I say, so the listener also knows what I am talking about. Alright, so it becomes definite. How it becomes definite? Because both the speaker and the listener, they are familiar with what is being talked about. Then we also use it before ordinals, like we use the first prize goes to the second prize. So the ordinals first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and we use before the ordinals also we use the definite article the, and also before superlatives. Adjectives, we have 3 degrees. Which 3 degrees we have in adjectives? Tell me, degrees of adjectives you must have done.
Ma'am, positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive,
Okay.
comparative, and superlative.
Correct.
Comparative
Okay.
and superlative.
So we use it before the superlatives. He is the best racer. Alright? The best athlete. So before the superlative degrees, we also use the definite article the. And we also use it before same and only. Okay, the same book. That only. Okay, then sixth, to represent a whole class of animals or things, when we want to refer to the whole class, like the cow gives us milk, not one cow gives milk, all the cows, right? So to represent a whole class of animals or things, and for that also we use the before it. Then we use it before an adjective of quality, the brave, the rich. Quality, adjective, you all know what are adjectives?
Yes, ma'am.
What is an
Yes,
adjective?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is an adjective?
Ma'am, a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. That describes a noun or a pronoun.
So word that describes a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective, or we can also say that it adds something more to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. It describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so before adjective of quality, as the name suggests, adjective of quality will tell what? It will tell about the quality of the noun being talked about. So who are admired? The brave. Brave is what? It is an adjective of quality. Quality is the quality of being brave. So the brave are admired. The rich, they should help the poor. So before an adjective of quality also, we use the definite article the. Then it is used before the names of the seas, the names of oceans like the Ganges River, the Pacific Ocean, alright. Then the Gulf of Mexico or the North Pole, the Sahara Desert. So before the names of seas, ocean, deserts and mountain ranges, alright. The Himalayas, the Mount Everest. Then it is also used before the names of countries which have united, which have, beta, mute your mic, Purvi. Okay, we also use it before the names of the countries which have the words united or republic in them. Like we say the United States of America. Alright?
Ma'am, United States of America.
So United States of America, it has the word united, so we use the before it. The Republic of South Africa. Okay? So like that. Now, the is also used before the names of few important books, magazines and newspapers like the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, the Bible, the Vedas, the Quran. So, it is used before the names of few important books, magazines and newspapers. Then they also, the word, the definite article the is also used before musical instruments like the flute, the tabla and so on. Okay, and the last here is that it is also used before a proper noun if it represents a particular class of people or if it is defined by some defining clause like Kalidas. Kalidas is whom? He is the Shakespeare of India. So we use it before a proper noun which represents a particular class of people. Now all cannot be called as Shakespeare. We are calling Kalidas. So Shakespeare is a particular, we call only particular class of people as Shakespeare. We cannot call everyone Shakespeare. We can call only a selected class of people as Shakespeare. So that is why we use the before the proper noun there. Okay, then like Arjun is the Tendulkar of our local cricket team. So Tendulkar, everyone could not be a Tendulkar. Sachin is the Tendulkar because why? He has the capabilities which Tendulkar has. So these are the places where to tell that where we use the indefinite articles and where we use the definite articles. Then when we repeat the article, then the meaning of the sentence it changes. So see the example here. Now when I say I have a red and white shirt, a red and white shirt, so what it means? That I have one shirt, a shirt, but which is of which color? Red and white. Means one shirt, I have a one red and white shirt. So I have one shirt which is of two colors, red and white. But if I say I have a red and a white shirt, so what does that mean? That I have two shirts, one red and the other one white. Now you must have seen that there are some places where we don't use articles. There are so many places where we use articles. There are other places where we don't use the articles. So now where we don't use the articles? That you also need to know. So where we don't use article before an uncountable noun, like we don't say the milk. Milk is good for health. Grass is green. We don't say the grass is green. Okay. So no article is used before an uncountable noun. Then no article is used before plural countable nouns. Now we have seen when we were doing indefinite article, then we have seen that we use it before singular noun, but we don't use it before plural countables noun. We use it before singular countable nouns, but we don't use articles before plural countable nouns. Like men should respect women. So here we don't use the article. We don't use any article here. Then we don't use articles before proper nouns such as the names of people, countries, and we don't say we live in the India. We say we live in India. And we don't say that the Nainital has a better climate than the Delhi. So we omit the article in these places. Then we also don't use the article before the names of meals when they do not refer to the occasion, when they refer to the occasion and not food. So we don't use the article before the names of meals when they are referring to the occasion. Like I take breakfast, we don't say I take the breakfast at 8 o'clock. Okay, so we say I take breakfast, we leave the article there. Then we also don't use article before the names of certain buildings such as school, court, prison, hospital, church, if they are visited or used for their primary purpose. So if a church is used, so that, see what did I say, if a church or if a school is used for teaching, or if a church is used for praying and all, then we don't use any article. Okay, so church is used for worship. Okay, church, so we don't use any article there. Then before the names of relations, so we don't use any article. We don't say a mother is cooking food, neither we say an mother is cooking food, neither we will say the mother is cooking food. Mother is cooking food, that is good enough. Then before words that denote a unique position, so words which denote unique positions, they are specific positions, before that also we will not use articles. Like he is principal of my school. There is no need to write he is the principal of my school. So he is principal of my school, that is good enough. They appointed me, there is no need to write they appointed me as me the chairman of the committee. They appointed me chairman of the committee, that is good enough. Now there is or any article, no article is used before the names of languages. They speak, we don't say they speak a Punjabi at home, or an Punjabi at home, or the Punjabi at home. They speak Punjabi at home. Then see some other places which I mentioned that we don't use articles before certain phrases which are made up of preposition and a noun, like at noon, at sunset, by water, on foot. So before all these phrases we do not use any article. Then we also do not use articles before certain phrases which consist of a transitive verb and its object, like to leave home, to go home, to take offense, and so on. Now that was too much theory. Now you will get to understand more when we do the exercise. Then you will be able to understand it more and much better. So let's not waste time and let's start with the first exercise here. And yes, exercise A, page number 25. Fill in the blanks with a suitable article. The dash river, sorry, I only said the. So first one is the river Thames flows across England. Second one, the house is on dash very crowded road. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, the house is on a very crowded road. Number 3, we went for a walk in dash park.
I'm in the park.
In the park. Dash trial was dash parody of justice.
The trial was a parody of justice.
Okay, the trial was a parody of justice. Correct? Next one. Dash worst thing is to have to wait unnecessarily.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the.
Yes, correct. When were dash last Olympic Games held?
Ma'am, the.
Okay, the dash next step is to call dash press conference.
The next step is to call a press conference.
Ma'am, the next step is to call a press conference.
Okay, right? The next step is to call a press conference. Next, he doesn't take dash interest in sports.
Ma'am, he doesn't take an interest in the sports.
Okay, right. So where do we use an?
Ma'am, before vowels.
Okay, only before vowels?
No, ma'am, in other places also.
Alright, we also use it at before consonants which make a, before words which start with a vowel sound. Like we say an honest, an are. Okay, why? Because though they start with a consonant, but still because they start with a vowel sound. That is why, so even those consonants which have a vowel sound before that also, so the words which though they may not start with a vowel, but even though, you know, if they have a vowel sound, then also we will use an before them.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please explain fourth one. Repeat, ma'am.
Fourth one.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
trial was a parody of justice.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, number 9. You are dash good player.
Ma'am,
Use dash ladder to get dash books from dash top shelf.
Ma'am,
ma'am, use a ladder.
the books from the top shelf.
To get
Ma'am, the books.
the book.
Ma'am, the books.
The top shelf.
Right.
From the top.
Use a ladder to get the books from the top shelf. Number 11. Dash guard must be posted outside the house.
The.
Ma'am,
The
Ma'am,
guard.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Ma'am,
Okay, because no specific a guard. You can see dash wide
Ma'am,
wide
here.
variety.
Ma'am,
Okay, you
a
can
wide
see
Ma'am,
a
Ma'am,
wide variety. Yes, correct. A wide variety. Number 13. He retired from dash job last year.
Ma'am,
The. The. She will go down in history as dash great poet.
Ma'am,
Okay, as a great poet. I gave dash children dash ice each.
Ma'am, the children and ice cream.
Okay, I gave the children
children
an ice cream each. Correct. Number 16. Now you should try dash fresh approach.
Ma'am, the.
Yes, now you should try dash fresh approach. Is it any specific fresh approach or any? It could be any fresh approach. So what will we use? What will we use?
Ma'am, any fresh.
Because
Ma'am,
we are saying fresh approach. Now fresh approach means you should have a fresh approach. You should look at the thing with a fresh approach. Means a new approach. So what will you use? The or a?
Ma'am,
Or
Ma'am,
yes, not the. Now you should try a fresh approach. dash flower has dash very sweet smell.
Ma'am, the flower has
a very sweet smell.
Okay, the flower has a very sweet smell. Why the? Because we are talking about a particular flower. This particular flower has a very sweet smell. So that is why we are using the here.
नहीं
Who is this? Mute your mic.
12 बजे
Sanskar.
ma'am.
Why do you have such dash
Ma'am,
big smile?
Ma'am,
big smile.
Okay, why do
Ma'am,
you have such a big smile? Dash car smashed into dash tree. Dash
Ma'am,
car.
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, a car smashed into the tree. Ma'am, a car smashed into the tree. The car is badly damaged. Badly damaged.
the car. Okay. A car smashed into a tree. The car is badly damaged. Next time, because we are using the same noun next time, that is why you are using the in the next sentence. They shop around for dash best deal.
Ma'am,
They shop around
Ma'am,
for the best deal. Superlative. He shot dash angry glance at me.
ma'am, he shot a angry glance at
He
me.
shot
Ma'am,
a
ma'am,
an.
ma'am,
Yes. Vowel. He shot an angry glance at me. Number 22nd. Dash government aims at giving quality education.
ma'am,
They have lived in dash same house for 10 years. They have lived in
ma'am,
the
Ma'am,
same
the-
house. Yes, we are
Ma'am, the-
talking about a specific house where they have lived for 10 years. We are going to play dash important match.
Ma'am,
Anne, right,
important.
Anne. Don't forget Anne. There is dash letter for you. Letter for you. Okay. So for today we will stop here.